Illustrations. The distance between two stations is 490 kilometers. Two trains start simultaneously from these stations on parallel tracks to cross each other. The speed of one of them is greater than that of the other by 5 km per hour. If the distance between the two trains after 3 hours of their start is 85 km, find the speed of each train. Let the speed of one train be x km per hour. Given that the speed of one of them is greater than that of the other by 5 km per hour. So, the speed of the other train equals to x plus 5 km per hour. We know that the distance equals to speed into time. Therefore, the distance travelled by the first train in 3 hours equals to 3x kilometers. The distance travelled by the second train in 3 hours equals to 3 into x plus 5 kilometers equals to 3x plus 15 kilometers. Given that the distance between the two trains after 3 hours of their start is 85 kilometers. From the above, we can write 490 minus of 3x plus 3x plus 15 equals to 85. 490 minus 3x minus 3x minus 15 equals to 85. 475 minus 6x equals to 85. 6x equals to 475 minus 85. 6x equals to 390. X equals to 390 by 6. X equals to 65. So, the speed of the first train equals to 65 kilometers per hour. Speed of the second train equals to 65 plus 5 kilometers per hour equals to 70 kilometers per hour. Substitute x equals 65 in the equation. 490 minus of 3 into 65 plus 3 into 65 plus 15 equals to 85. 490 minus of 195 plus 195 plus 15 equals to 85. 490 minus 405 equals to 85. 85 equals to 85. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Let us solve one more problem. Arha's father is 3 times as old as Arha. After 15 years, he will be twice the age of his daughter. Find their present ages. Let Arha's present age be x. Then her father's age is 3x. After 15 years, Arha's age will be x plus 15 and her father's age will be 3x plus 15. Given that after 15 years, Arha's father will be twice the age of his daughter. Therefore, 3x plus 15 equals to 2 into x plus 15. Now simplify the equation. 3x plus 15 equals to 2x plus 30. Arrange the variables on one side and constants on other side. 3x minus 2x equals to 30 minus 15. x equals to 15. Therefore, Arha's age is 15 years and her father's age is 3 into 15 equals to 45 years. Verification. After 15 years, Arha's age is 15 plus 15 equals to 30 years. Arha's father's age is 45 plus 15 equals to 60 years. Arha's father's age is twice the age of Arha. Given condition is satisfied.